Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel NS Online Math Classes. Now as you know, we are learning how to change the subject of a formula, and in our today's session we will be seeing that the subject variable is present in the numerator. That means that the formula will be containing a fraction and the subject variable will be present in the numerator of that fraction. But this doesn't mean that the subject variable will be present only in the numerator of the fraction. It may be present in somewhere else as well. It may be present in multiple terms, but definitely it will be present in the numerator of the fraction which is present in the formula. And we do not know whether there exists multiple fractions as well. There may be multiple fractions present in the formula. We have no idea about that, but there exists a fraction in whose numerator is having this subject variable. We know only this much. Okay, so without any further delay, let us start with our today's session. Let us first of all see what is the formula that has been given to us. So this is the formula and this is the question. Make x the subject of the following equation or the following formula. 5x, now you see x is present in this term as well. This 5x is equal to m times, over here x is present in the numerator of this fraction which is on the right side of this equal to sign. The numerator is m times within the parenthesis xy minus e to the power of 2 over p. P is the denominator of this fraction. So let us move to the rules part. Rule number 1 says expand the bracket of the numerator if present. Over here we are seeing there is the parenthesis, the bracket present in the numerator. It could have been a single term. It could have been simple mxy over p. In that case, there wouldn't have been a bracket. So if there is a bracket, expand the bracket of the numerator. Okay. So we expand this bracket. We multiply this monomial with this binomial. It is m times xy is mxy. Minus m times e to the power of 2 is minus m e to the power of 2, and this is the numerator and the denominator is the common denominator, that is p. Okay. Rule number 2, simplify both sides so that there is one term on each side of the equal to sign. We are seeing there is one term on each side of the equal to sign. If there were multiple terms, we would have to simplify so that each side contained only a single term. Okay. Coming to rule number 3. Cross multiply both the sides. Take the denominator to be equal to 1 of the other side, because this side which contains the variable is a fraction. We know that. If the other side is also a fraction, fair enough. But if the other side is not a fraction, like in this case it is simple 5x, take the denominator to be equal to 1 of the other side if it is not a fraction. So we will be writing 5x as 5x over 1. This is equal to mxy minus m e to the power of 2 over p. And we will be cross multiplying. So it is 5px or 5xp equal to, we have multiplied this 5x with this p to give us 5px or 5xp, and 1 times this numerator is mxy minus m e to the power of 2. Okay. Rule number 4, make the variable the subject using the rules of the previous videos. So in the previous videos, what did we see? If we have the formula or the equation containing the variable in more than one term, then we bring all the terms containing the variable on one side of the equal to sign and take all the other terms to the other side. Over here we are seeing there are two terms containing x, 5px and mxy. So we will be bringing these two terms to one side of the equal to sign, and there is a single term which doesn't contain x, so we do not have to do anything more to it. But of course, what I have done is I have taken 5px to this side, to the right side, and I have taken minus me squared to the left side, so that instead of minus me squared, I get a plus me squared. That is the only reason why I have taken 5px to the right side and me squared to the left side. And if you think that this is meaningless to say that I'm taking one term to the right side, another term to the left side, of course, this is the shortcut form of saying that you add minus 5px to both the sides and plus me squared to both the sides. Instead of saying this, we usually say take 5px to right side, or take minus me squared to left side, and write the terms so that we have the terms containing x on the left, because that is the convention. That is only the convention. It is not mandatory that you have to have the terms containing x on the left side of the equal to sign. Okay? And then what do? We take out this common factor x, which has to be made the subject, and we put all the other parts of these terms within the parenthesis. So we take out x, and from the first term we get my within the parenthesis, and minus 5p comes from the second term, and there is a single term on the other side. If you have multiple terms, you have to simplify that side as well, if possible. And this part within the parenthesis may also be simplified if the parenthesis portion contains any like terms or any common factor. Okay, they may be simplified further. And of course, the other side has to be simplified if possible as well. Okay, but now we are seeing this is in the most simplified form. We cannot do anything more to this equation. So the last step that we do is we take the part within the parenthesis to the denominator of the other side. So we have x equal to me to the power of 2 over my minus 5p. So x has been made the subject of this equation or this formula. Previously, the given equation contained x in multiple terms, and now we are seeing that we are having a single x on the left hand side, and this is equal to some expression on the right hand side. So we have made x the subject of the given equation or given formula. Okay. So students, this is all for today's session. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.